starts going forward, reverse, reverse, so back to forward, but when I go to the tap, you'll see it's going to spin backwards. What that allows me to do is when I'm tapping this hole, as soon as I apply pressure, it'll go forward, so I can keep my hand on the trigger and go through and out. So I can keep my finger on the trigger and not release that. Majority of the problems people have when tapping is they have to hit reverse, come back out, and sometimes you cross thread and do something else crazy. So this is all set up and ready to go. Put it on low. Push and go. These tools. Comes with 3 cutter heads.
I was going to say, what kind of life do you get on those heads?
About 700 lineal feet. Yeah, so you just, this is a screw system in there, just can unscrew it, put a new bit in. So, like I said, take these 2 screws here and these 2 here, and you can adjust this to any angle. And to access the bits there, you just drop these 2 screws, and then you can get in there to change out the cutter heads. So, right now they're grinding it to get this bevel. So when they're grinding it, they're heating it up. They're leaving little pieces of abrasive in there, not a lot, but every now and then. And it takes about 40 minutes to do this bevel. Okay? This thing will do it in about 5 minutes. So there's a huge time savings there. You adjust it this way so that 3 rotations is about each rotation is about an 1/8 inch.
Okay.
So when starting it up or getting it going, I always bring it all the way down to 0, as far back as I can, then go 0, 0 with it, so there's no drag. And when I come on here, nothing as far as a drag. When doing my demo, I'm just going to turn it a 1/2 turn. I did it last time, so I might take a little bit more. But it's something they'll get used to. Whoever's doing this all the time, they'll have their pattern set pretty quickly. So now I can get started with that. When I go into it, I come in slowly, and then I just go forward with it. So. Cold to the touch, so you could weld right away if you needed to.
That is.